Hi everybody, welcome back to Eli's Imagination Station. And today, I'm gonna blind you. Okay. Today we are doing another repair, obviously. Got all of the tools and stuff. Today we are repairing this Raggedy Andy and Raggedy Ann piggy bank. They're supposed to talk. Raggedy Andy talks when you put coins in him, and Raggedy Ann talks when you put coins in her. Raggedy Ann is missing her stopper, and well, I guess you could use the battery cover. Aw, it's too small. This is where the battery goes. Oh yeah, that reminds me, we gotta go and get a D battery. We've taken these guys apart before just to see what it looked like inside. We didn't do that on video though. And they had motors in them. Nothing is supposed to move on them, but they had motors inside. Oh. I have a lot of stuff to show you guys today. I got a ton of stuff today. Yep.
Battery for later, just in case we get it.
Actually, let's try the battery in there one more time before we... I'm wondering if it goes like that, or maybe it goes the other way.
Pretty sure it goes that way.
Oh, we need a coin.
No, I can just use a screwdriver. All the coin does is push that.
Let's try it the other way real quick. We could just...
No, it has a little picture on there. It shows it like this. See?
Yeah.
Now slip that off. All screwed out.
Okay. Oh yeah. We got this at my sissy's garage sale. She had it on one of her streams, but it didn't sell on her live stream. So she sold it at the garage sale. And we got it. I'm gonna start showing you guys that stuff.
He's going to start showing you guys his stuff. In case you didn't hear him as he was walking away.
Got the other graduation singing toy with my money. And I finally found some other videos of it on YouTube. Most people think it says 2024 on there. I just noticed it. But it says class of 2024.
Yeah.
It's just always covered by the tag.
Oh, the class of is covered by the tag.
The coaster is stuck to the... Last time we got the money, which we showed on one of the last repairs. They had the jackpot on Aunt Sissy's most recent stream.
Yes, you did.
this moose from Aurora. It's a moose.
Here's the inside of the Raggedy Ann and Andy. See the two halves of a bank.
Mm-hmm. So it's one of them that have the
Yeah,
Oh!
That's what's supposed to set them off.
When I push this end, I can see this speaker in there kind of move. But when I push this one, this speaker doesn't move. And we are aware that it doesn't work, doesn't talk.
That guy?
Yeah.
Yeah, he needs batteries. But he's got the
He's one
sewn
of them.
in watch batteries. So I have to cut them open.
I don't understand why they always do that. It's connected by a wire, it looks like.
Yeah, it is. That's the battery wire.
Ah. Yeah, I know. His name is Frostbite. Yeah, it looks like he's a big old giant frostbite. Yeah, he was $6 in my Aunt Sissy's stream.
I'll make sure that's getting connection.
I bought these 4 things from Aunt Sissy's stream. They're McDonald's teeny weeny babies. This one is Mal, the koala. Still in the bags. Oh. The koala was 6. I should have told you that. It's 600. Just don't act that's my money, please. Yeah, this was number 7 of the set. And here it is. These are 1993 ones. McDonald's. This one was originally 6 as well, but this one was marked down to 5. This one is number 3 in the set. The other 3 that are over there are a different set and are all one set, and this one's from a different set. Yeah, this is Smoochie the frog. Here he is. And Inch, that's one of my favorite Beanie Babies I have. Inch, the inchworm. This one I actually have the big version too. Is the battery pack good?
I'm testing it.
And then this is the last one. This one's
It's not sure if it wants to make a good connection down there.
This one is Scoop, the pelican. He's number 8 in the set.
Something's getting in the way.
There's Scoop. And those are the 4 little McDonald's teeny weeny babies in the bags. I'm not going to take them out. They're still in the bags. shedder.
What?
The glitter shedder.
Oh,
Because it sheds glitter.
that's okay.
It's a Walmart holiday time. Doesn't have the full tag on there anymore. It's an ornament. The nutcracker. It's supposed to look like he's a cookie. This nutcracker was $3. He's holding a little gingerbread man. Okay, just a second.
Alright. Where'd the little screw go? Oh, there it is.
Got this cowboy turtle candle holder. This is the pink version. There's one where everything that's pink on this one is blue, and there's a version where everything is pink on this one is yellow. It's just a little turtle. It was $8.
That was $8?
Actually, no. It was Mickey Mouse's ears. Because they're not touching. They look like they're touching on the camera, but the circles aren't actually touching.
Yeah. Alright, now let's see. Let's see if that makes a good connection.
And then we've got this Sweetheart Spud, potato head.
That's much better.
This one, and Sissy also had a Santa one, but somebody got to the Santa one first. So it's $10 for the Sweetheart Spud. So the other one was $10 too.
Well, that didn't work. It wasn't that. It was dirty though, the connection was not great.
Yeah.
That might have cost us problems later. But we'll keep going, I guess.
Maybe that's what's wrong with it. Maybe the connections are just too old to make it work anymore.
Well, I cleaned it off and tightened it up.
Oh yeah, guys, by the way,
Here's the whole.
this thing was made in 1977.
A little while ago.
A little one. That's before Bubba was born.
Yeah. Not before I was born, so it ain't that old.
Was it before Mommy was born?
Nope.
It wasn't?
Nope.
What year was Mommy born?
Like three years before that. Don't shine them eyes, please. I'm trying to fix this.
What is this little piece for?
It just holds this in. I took that out and the whole thing comes out. Why isn't that screw coming out now? I just broke the wire. I just broke the wire.
No, I'm talking about what did you say?
I said I just broke the wire.
Oh.
That's not what was wrong with it, because I just did it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now, all of that stuff I just showed you guys was from today. I got 3 things yesterday. I got this dog with my money at the antique shop. It's one of the Kids of America head bobbers, like the fishing bear we just repaired. This one was made in 2007. Just saw something blue in there.
Mm-hmm. That's this. So this is the way it. I don't know if they can see it on the camera.
But yeah.
When you push this in, it pushes that other side, and when you push this in, it pushes that speaker. And something's supposed to happen inside of here. Something happens to activate sound to come out of there or something.
But what I'm confused about is whenever you put a coin down on this end, this side should make sound, not this end. And when you
Well, I don't know.
push that one down,
We'll see once I get
that
it
one
close
should
apart.
make sound. But yeah, this one, the head bobbing works and the sound works, but the tail works all the way up to this point, and then it gets stuck on something. And it goes kind of slower than it's supposed to.
Yeah.
And then when you move
You
the
gotta,
tail
if you
faster.
help it along, then it speeds up.
This will probably be our next repair. But yeah, it's not very often you see these types where the tails spin to move their bodies that has a button and not a sensor. These ones
This one's
always
got an extra, no? Oh, they come apart. Oh, there it goes. Yeah, see, that one's got a motor in it.
Oh, the other one doesn't.
Yeah, the top piece.
Yeah,
The
only
motor
one.
that goes, oh, that wire just fell off the motor.
There's only one motor?
But the
I thought
motor's-
there's 2.
No, there's just one. I don't know what it's not connected to anything though. That's why I don't know what it does. There's a wheel in there that spins, but there's nothing on that motor that would make that spin. It's not like it touches that. I bet you there's supposed to be something on this motor that's supposed to roll onto that. But the
But
motor
still-
doesn't even work.
Still, though, there's nothing that's supposed to move, I don't think.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah. Did I mention that it's. There's hardly any information about this thing on YouTube.
Yep, that is true.
We found one video of these guys on YouTube, and it was the original commercial.
Yeah. And you couldn't hardly hear what it was saying because the guy in the commercial was talking over it. Yeah, I think there's pieces missing inside here.
You think so?
Yeah.
Well, I still got some more stuff to show them.
Okay. See if it'll come apart. Nope. It does not. What else might be holding it together? A screw there. That's holding that speaker.
Sounded like it was making some sort of noise.
Yeah, I was just making it. I was just tapping it.
Got this from the Lucky Duck. at the fair today. I mean yesterday.
Yesterday, yeah.
At the Lucky Duck booth. It's they put on the tag. They put on the tag dinosaur. Like I don't know what this is. Obviously. We got this one at a different game. This one was the basketball game.
Yeah, that was your consolation prize. I'm trying to get a big pineapple.
Yeah. But we didn't get all 3 baskets. Instead, we got the snake. It's still pretty
Okay,
good.
so.
I'm thinking it might have been used though, because it's got like no tag, and this tag is like kind of dirty. But I don't think that at the exact same time because I saw another kid walking around there with that exact snake. Is that supposed to go on there?
I'm just trying to see if the motor will spin.
I've never seen that type of motor before.
Motor doesn't spin. Yeah, I don't know. We don't have any like this.
I mean, isn't it kind of creepy knowing that there's nothing on this thing that's supposed to move, but there's a motor inside? Isn't that kind of...
Well, the motor spin, there's a big wheel in here. See this? Watch, there's a big, where'd you go? There's a big wheel right there. Okay, I'll show you this way. See that wheel?
Mm-hmm.
So something on that,
This is beeping.
yeah, I don't know, the battery's probably getting low. Turn it off. Something's supposed to spin this wheel. You keep walking back and forth, so I can't show it to you. I keep turning it. The only place you can see the wheel is here, so don't walk to that side. Okay, see it?
Mm-hmm. It's not spinning anything else.
Yeah, so this motor is supposed to spin that wheel. But if this motor is lined up, it doesn't even touch that wheel. So there's supposed to be something on this that connects to that wheel. It's like rubbery. It would make that wheel spin.
Oh, I've seen those type of wheels before. For one of my little plastic figures. It's on a motorcycle. Huh. Oh, and that's why it's got that rubber thing on there.
Yeah, but there's supposed to be something on this shaft, I think, that I can't even quite figure out how it would work, even if it would.
Yeah.
Let me see if I can get this in half. It screws out of there. There's screws up here somehow. Speakers are kind of really in the way. Come off. Or maybe if I take this screw out.
I brought back the fake golden SpongeBob that I showed you guys. There's something I forgot to show you on this fake golden SpongeBob. A few weeks ago, I got the real. What is that?
I don't know.
Oh, there's the wheel.
Yeah, that's the same wheel.
Yes, I actually got the real golden SpongeBob.
So is this supposed to be? Oh, is it like a needle? Is that like a little record player in there?
Oh!
And then as it goes down, it spins it like a record.
I bet you that's what. Because that's a weird type of looking speaker. Which means then that means that without the motor moving, if it's a record, then without something going on it, it wouldn't work.
Well, that's like the needle. First, I just need to see if I can get the motor to spin. Then we gotta figure out if we can get the motor to spin. Then we gotta figure out what we can put on the little shaft of the motor that will connect to.
That's crazy. I've never seen any of them like that before.
I haven't either.
We figured out why there's a motor in it, Mom.
Oh yeah?
It's like a record player.
It's got like a little thick record. It's like a 1/4 of an inch thick. At least that's what it looks like.
Yeah, it's like a little... Now that kind of makes sense, though. Because... I know this is kind of silly to say, but did they have speakers yet then?
Yes, they're right there. They had speakers for a long time, buddy. But in '77, they didn't have CDs or nothing.
But I don't...
Records. And tapes, 8-track tapes. Doesn't look like there's anything left on it. If that was the needle, it's like wore down.
I wouldn't be surprised if it was wore down.
Yeah, it's not sticking out far enough, I don't think, to where it would be able to.
Okay. Now I'm interested.
Oh, there it sticks out. So it's really dirty in there. Well, give me that alcohol, please.
Oh, my dinner's done. I forgot about it.
You're not eating?
Don't worry, guys. It's rubbing out.
Yes. Isopropyl alcohol.
I wouldn't
Use
let
it to
them
clean
be-
them.
I wouldn't let them be next to drinking alcohol.
Oh, yeah. It doesn't even look like drinking alcohol. And it is really dirty. So first we'll clean this off. Yeah, that's definitely what it is. It's like a little record player.
That is so cool.
Get that one clean.
I mean, it's already kind of cool how like a record player works already, but the fact that there's one in a toy, that's really cool.
Mm-hmm.
But I don't really see how this could be a speaker, though.
That's a speaker.
How does the sound come out of it?
It just does. Just like any other speaker. That one's just a different color.
Well, why would they put a speaker in it if it's a record player?
Because you got to hear the sound from somewhere. How's the sound going to come out?
I never knew how weird old technology was.
It's not. It's much simpler, actually.
Well, it's because I'm not really used to it.
Mm-hmm. Oh, and then
Mommy's
here's
going
the
like,
connections.
eat.
Yes, eat. Please. connections are probably not very good anymore.
It almost kind of reminds me of the Teddy Ruxpin, where it takes tapes.
Yeah, tapes are newer than records.
Yeah, this is the
older.
oldest thing. This is one of the oldest toys I've seen that has sound to it. It is, actually.
This must be what turns whichever one on and off.
I'll have to tell Aunt Sissy that they showed a record player. Wait, so it's a mix between a record player and a piggy bank and also Raggedy Andy and Raggedy Ann.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, I forgot to show you something I found the other day.
What? You talking to them or me?
Both, actually. I found one video where it was like a video of a snake like eating corn. And that was what the original video was, but then he like paused the video and then he said, "Since when did snakes eat corn?" That's all he added to the video. Other than that, he just took somebody else's video. And in the comments, somebody said copycat.
Yep.
Or no, actually, I think they said stolen content.
Yep. That's what that is.
And then the person that actually posted that video, he replied to them and said, "I don't care and I hate you." I don't think he deserves any subscribers. I mean, I've seen a ton of videos where people are stealing other people's videos.
Yeah, it happens.
Unfortunately.
Okay.
Is the needle even long enough?
I don't think it closed. Did I close it? I must have. I didn't mean to. I probably meant to when I did it, but I shouldn't have. Alright, I already scraped this. Clean it off with some lists.
And another question. Is it safe
How
to
dirty
be...
that record is.
Huh?
I wonder how dirty this record is.
Question.
Yes.
Is it safe to be around that alcohol stuff?
Yes, but it's just isopropyl alcohol. It's for cleaning. You can also use it to disinfect stuff.
What do you mean disinfect?
Like to get rid of germs.
So it's like a medicine.
No, it's not medicine. It's like a cleaning agent. You can't drink it, but you could, like, if you had a,
no.
you
I'm
could
not
use it
even
to
gonna
clean.
try.
If you got a cut or something like that, you can use it to clean. Or you can use it to clean like I'm using it.
That's what
Okay.
we use it for.
Yeah, that's
I
why.
remember when we used to use nail polish remover.
Yeah, that's because we didn't have any alcohol. And nail polish remover has this in it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
We've hardly used any of that stuff.
That?
Mm-hmm.
No, it goes a long way. Okay, let's start putting these back on.
It makes sense to me now on why it has a motor.
Yeah, me too. I didn't know why it had a motor either.
You probably should have known with what year it was made. Or you should have known.
I didn't know.
I mean, I had no idea that it even put records in it.
What's going on here? Why is this? Nope, something's not right. What did I not put back on right? That just came right off.
It just come right off. Ouch.
Does this go under those? Oh, maybe it. Should have taken a picture of it, huh? Yeah, probably.
Yeah, maybe we should start taking pictures.
I'm pretty sure it just goes like that. What? Why'd you do that? Scared me.
Sorry.
What?
That's how I get out of my zoning out time.
Oh,
I was really zoned out.
I thought something was wrong. Jumps, man.
Shit. Sometimes my muscles just wanna kind of boom like that.
So what's gonna push it into? That's supposed to be touching, right? Is this one touching? That one's touching. Make sure I got everything good before I get it back together. Oh yeah, that one's bent. So I must have bent that when I was cleaning it.
I'm a man and not doing it now.
distracting when you're bouncing around. Eli, did you hear me?
Yes.
Please try.
You didn't mean it, did you?
Yes, I always mean it. Same thing with this one. How long has the video been?
Oh,
Probably a while.
almost 42 minutes.
Almost 42 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Let's see if I can figure out how these go back on.
We only have about 3 more minutes.
Yeah.
What's that little metal thing for?
It kind of holds it down. Eli, jeez.
Sorry.
Please stop doing that.
Okay.
You want me to fix stuff, you gotta let me concentrate while I'm doing it, okay?
Sorry. I didn't mean to do it that way. You can definitely tell that it's a old design.
Do we hit 45 minutes yet? Probably need to say goodbye for
Yep.
this one.
Bye, everybody. See you
Bye.
guys next time.